I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select an action token. Connect to the token. Token connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the token dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in token. Thanks for watching.